Welcome back to All About Food and happy 2022. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For this week's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beef embutido with creamy mushroom sauce. We need 1 large onion minced, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup carrots shredded, 1/4 cup bell peppers minced, 2 tablespoons pickle relish, salt, black pepper, 500 grams ground beef, egg, hot dogs, optional, 1 bar grated cheese, half a cup cornstarch, margarine or butter, aluminum foil, silicone brush, spoon, baking pan, combine all the ingredients. Mix 500 grams ground beef, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 large onion minced, 1/4 cup bell peppers minced, 1/4 cup carrots shredded, 2 tablespoons pickle relish, salt, black pepper, half a cup cornstarch, and 1 bar of cheese. Add 1 egg, after mixing, brush a margarine on top of aluminum foil. Put some mixed meat and put the hot dog on the center. Roll the meat, cover with aluminum foil. this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Preheat your oven. Add water to your bain-marie. Bake the embutido on bain-marie for 1 hour and 30 minutes. For creamy mushroom sauce, we need olive oil as needed, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 68 grams nor cream of mushroom, 400 grams jolly mushrooms, 1 can evaporated milk or 250 ml all-purpose cream. The procedure is in the description below. 1 cup water, wire whisk, turner, knife and chopping board, cook embutido, preheat the pan, slice the mushrooms, saute the minced garlic, add the mushrooms, dissolve the cream of mushroom in 1 cup of water. cream of mushroom. Simmer and add the milk. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. You may add water if the sauce is too thick for you. Add the sauce and grated cheese on top of your embutido. There you have it, beef embutido with creamy mushroom sauce.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majama Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day, thank you for watching, and happy 2022!